and in this session we are going to talk about the rationalization. There are types of questions in which rationalization will be there. Basically, one term in the denominator, two terms in the denominator, three terms in the denominator. So how can we rationalize? To rationalize means to make the denominator a rational number. Right now it is an irrational number, right? So basically you have studied this property, guys, square root of x the whole square. It is nothing but x only. So in order to understand the logic, you can use laws of exponents over here. Square root of x means it is x raised to the power half and the whole square is there. So basically you know that it is power of power. So they will get multiplied, 2 and 2 will get cancelled out. So this is nothing but x raised to the power 1 or x only. Now I have to rationalize the denominator. So in this, different formula will be used. So you have studied this formula, guys, a square minus b square. It is nothing but a plus b, a minus b. So basically we have to make the denominator in that form only. We have to make the denominator in that form only so as to make the denominator a rational number. Hello everybody, I am Misbah, your maths educator, and in this session we are going to talk about the rationalization, which you have studied in grade 9, but it is important until and unless you are going to do mathematics. So let's start with it. So there are types of questions in which rationalization will be there. Basically, one term in the denominator, two terms in the denominator, three terms in the denominator. Three terms we are not taking it over here right now. One term and two terms we are going to take. So for example, I have got a question like this. Suppose I have got this thing, right? And we have to rationalize the denominator over here. So how can we rationalize? To rationalize means to make the denominator a rational number. Right now it is an irrational number, right? Yes. So basically you have studied this property, guys, square root of x the whole square. It is nothing but x only. So in order to understand the logic, you can use laws of exponents over here. Square root of x means it is x raised to the power half and the whole square is there. So basically you know that it is power of power. So they will get multiplied, 2 and 2 will get cancelled out. So this is nothing but x raised to the power 1 or x only. So this is the reason behind that, okay? So you'll use the same logic over here. Can I multiply and divide by root 7 over here? I'm multiplying and dividing by root 7. So that is 3 root 7. And in the denominator, you see this is root 7 into root 7. So that is nothing but root 7 the whole square. So basically root 7 the whole square is nothing but 7 only. So you see we have made the denominator a rational number, right? So actually there are some concepts of surds and rationalizing factor. We are not talking in terms of that. I am taking from the very basics only, just so that you can understand what is rationalization. I hope it is clear. Now I'll take one more question over here. For example, I've got 6 by root 3. How can we rationalize the denominator over here and what will be the answer after rationalizing the denominator? So in this case, you see over here it is root 3. So we want to make it a rational number. So can I multiply and divide by root 3 over here? You see root 3 in the numerator as well as the denominator. So this will come out to be equal to 6 root 3 and in the denominator it is root 3 into root 3. So it will become root 3 the whole square. So basically this thing is nothing but 6 root 3 and in the denominator it is root 3 the whole square or it is 3 over here. So you see this is 2 root 3. So 2 root 3 is the answer. I hope it is clear. So that's how you rationalize the denominator when you got a one term in the denominator. Now let's see how can we rationalize the denominator when it is two terms in the denominator. So let's see that. So for example, I have got this thing. Suppose I am taking this one over here. Okay. Now I have to rationalize the denominator. So in this, different formula will be used. So you have studied this formula, guys. A square minus b square. It is nothing but a plus b, a minus b. So basically we have to make the denominator in that form only. We have to make the denominator in that form only so as to make the denominator a rational number. So can I multiply and divide by 7 plus root 5? Why we are actually doing this? You'll get it. 7 plus root 5. Because you see, can I not say this is of the form a minus b and this is of the form a plus b? I am saying it is of the form. It is not equal to a minus b or a plus b. This is of the form a minus b. This is of the form a plus b. So it will be a square minus b square or not in the denominator? Tell me. So this will give you 14 into 7 plus root 5, and in the denominator you will get a square minus b square, or you will get 7 square minus root 5 the whole square. Correct? So basically it will come out to be equal to 14 into 7 plus root 5, and basically you see 7 sevens are 49 and root 5 the whole square is 5 only. We have studied it right now. So basically you will get 14 into 7 plus root 5, and in the denominator you are going to get what, guys? 44 basically. 44. So you can further simplify. So you see this is the answer over here. I can say 7 into 7 plus root 5. You can leave it like that. And in the denominator you are having 22. So this thing is the answer, right? So same type of question can be asked as well. Suppose I am taking one more example over here. Suppose we are being asked to rationalize the denominator in this case. What will we do, guys? Something like this. So again the same thing, basically we want to fix it in the formula a plus b, a minus b, so that we will get a square minus b square. And you know that when you will get a square minus b square, it will become a rational number in this case, right? So can I multiply and divide by root 7 plus root 5 over here? So you over here in the numerator as well, root 7 plus root 5. So you see in the numerator you are getting 2 into root 7 plus root 5, and in the denominator it is of the form a plus b, a minus b. It is of the form a plus b, a minus b. It is not exactly equal to a plus b, a minus b. So you see it will be a square minus b square, or you can say root 7 the whole square minus root 5 the whole square. So basically that will be 2 into root 7 plus root 5, and in the denominator this will be 7. Root 7 the whole square is 7. Root 5 the whole square is 5. So 7 minus 5 is 2. So this will get cancelled out. So we are going to get root 7 plus root 5 over here. I hope this thing is clear to every student in this class. So let's move on, guys. Let's do some questions on the basis of rationalization of denominator. Let's move on. So you have got this question over here. X is given to be equal to 9 minus 4 root 5, and we have to find the values of x plus 1 by x, x minus 1 by x, x square plus 1 by x square. So let us do them one by one. So the very first thing is x is already given, but 1 by x we don't know, right? So what will be 1 by x, guys? 1 by x will be equal to 1 by 9 minus 4 root 5. So you see, if you will put 1 by x in this form only, you will not be able to get a simplified answer. Although it is not directly given in the question to rationalize the denominator, but you have to rationalize the denominator. So you see 9 minus 4 root 5. Can I multiply and divide by 9 plus 4 root 5? The same logic, guys, we want to fix the denominator in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So basically this thing is nothing but 9 plus 4 root 5, and in the denominator it is of the form a plus b, a minus b. So it will be a square minus b square. So you can say 9 square minus 4 root 5 the whole square over here. Now you see 9 square is nothing but 81 only. But 4 root 5 the whole square is what, guys? That is 4 root 5 into 4 root 5, correct? So you see 4 4s are 16 and root 5 into root 5 is 5 only, correct? That we have studied today itself. So basically this thing is 80 over here. So after further simplification, what will we get? We are going to get 9 plus 4 root 5, and in the denominator we have got 81 minus 80. So 81 minus 80 is 1 only. So basically this is nothing but 9 plus 4 root 5. I hope this thing is clear up till here. Right. Now we want to find the value of x plus 1 by x. And we know the values of 1 by x over here, and x is already given in the question. So x plus 1 by x is very simple now. Yes or no? So you see over here, x plus 1 by x, how can we find? X plus 1 by x over here. So x is nothing but equal to 9 minus 4 root 5. And 1 by x is nothing but equal to 9 plus 4 root 5. So basically you see 4 root 5 and 4 root 5. It will get cancelled out. So x plus 1 by x is coming out to be equal to 18. I hope it is clear. Now we want to find the value of x minus 1 by x. So that is again very easy because we know the value of x and 1 by x. So x minus 1 by x will be what, guys? X is already given, that is 9 minus 4 root 5 minus 1 by x we already have got in the previous slide, and that was 9 plus 4 root 5. Correct? Now let's simplify it, you'll get the answer. So this is 9 minus 4 root 5 minus 9 minus 4 root 5. So you see 9 and 9 will be cancelled out. Minus 4 root 5 minus 4 root 5. So that is going to be minus 8 root 5. So this is the answer. I hope this thing is clear. Now we want to find the value of x square plus 1 by x square, right? So if you will directly put x over here and you will put 1 by x over here, it will take time. You will get the answer, but it will take time. So instead of that, we can use an algebraic identity and it will save our time over here. So let's do that. So basically, you have studied this identity or not, guys? That a square plus b square, that can be written like this: a plus b the whole square minus 2ab over here. Right? A plus b the whole square minus 2ab over here. That can be used over here. Now basically, in this case, it is x square plus 1 by x square. X square plus 1 by x square over here. So can I not write it like this? X plus 1 by x the whole square minus 2 into x into 1 by x. Now you see x plus 1 by x we already have got in this question in the previous slides, that was 18. So this is 18 square over here minus 2 into, you see x is 9 minus 4 root 5, it is 9 minus 4 root 5 over here, and 1 by x we have got to be equal to 9 plus 4 root 5, correct? 9 plus 4 root 5. Or you can understand it in a different manner. In this case, it will save your time. See, you see over here, we don't need to use 1 by x to be equal to 9 plus 4 root 5. If x is 9 minus 4 root 5, so in this case, we can take 1 by x to be equal to 1 by 9 minus 4 root 5. Can't we do that? It will save our time in this case. So you see over here, in this case, 9 minus 4 root 5 and 9 minus 4 root 5 will be cancelled out easily. So the answer will be equal to what? 18 square minus 2. So that will be what? 324 minus 2, or we can say that is equal to 322. I hope this thing is clear. So that is the answer in this case. I hope it is clear to you. So let's move on and let's try to do one more question over here. We have to find the value of a if it is given that 6 upon 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3, that is equal to 3 root 2 minus a root 3 over here. So basically, let's simplify the left hand side over here. So that is equal to 6 upon 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3. So can I rationalize the denominator, guys? Can I multiply and divide by 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3, guys? The same reason is used over here. 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 over here. Can I use that, guys? 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. So that will give us what, guys? It is 6 into 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. And the same thing, guys, the denominator is of the form a plus b, a minus b. So it will be a square minus b square, or I can say 3 root 2 the whole square minus 2 root 3 the whole square. Can we simplify it directly, guys? So you see this is 6 into 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 over here. And in the denominator, you see 3 square is 3, root 2 square is 2. 3 square is 9, sorry. Root 2 square is 2. So 9 2s are 18 will come up over here. Again 2 square is 4 and root 3 square is 3. So this is 4 3s are 12. So basically 18 minus 12 is 6, guys. So 6 over here and 6 over here. So this thing is coming out to be 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. And you see the right hand side over here is 3 root 2 minus a root 3. This thing is given to be equal to 3 root 2 minus a root 3 over here. Now if you compare these sides over here, 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3, 3 root 2 minus a root 3. So can I say over here that a is equal to minus 2? So a is equal to minus 2 is the answer. I hope it is clear to every student watching this video. So that's all we needed to do in rationalization, which was there in grade 9. I hope it is clear to every student watching this video. In case of any doubt, you can please write in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Infinity Learn Class 9 and 10 YouTube channel.